We couldn't see the cafe yet, but we could smell the coffee. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at how to use could and was able to. In positive sentences, we use could to talk about general abilities in the past. I could run really fast when I was younger. Run really fast is a general ability to do something. In positive sentences, we use was able to talk about specific achievements in the past. For example, only one student was able to pass the English exam. In this situation, passing the English exam is a specific achievement. So once more, we use could for general abilities and was able to for specific achievements. Let's look at some more examples. My grandmother could speak 6 languages. I was able to catch my train because I ran. I could fall asleep no problem when I was a kid, but now I can't. I was able to sleep the entire flight. We especially use could with see, hear, smell, taste, remember, and understand. I could see Mount Fuji from my hotel window. We couldn't see the cafe yet, but we could smell the coffee. I could remember all of my friends' phone numbers when I was a kid. For negative sentences, couldn't and wasn't able to can always be used. I was able to sleep the entire flight, but my wife couldn't sleep at all. Or we could say, but my wife wasn't able to sleep at all. I hurt my ankle, so I couldn't play basketball. Or we could say, I hurt my ankle, so I wasn't able to play basketball. Give it a go. Make a sentence with could or was able to and leave it in the comments. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it.